It's a pretty popular hot spring area here in Aomori. And ow, that's hot, jeez. Hey people, so today I'm here in beautiful Asamushi Onsen. It's a pretty popular hot spring area here in Aomori Prefecture. And Aomori City is just about 10 kilometers that way, so it's not too hard to get to. And what you'll notice is that scattered around the whole town, there's a bunch of these foot spas where you can soak your feet in the hot water. But today what I'm going to try to do is try to cook eggs in them. We'll see how that goes. So that's the station right there. I didn't come by train, but thought I should mention that. You can see one of those foot spas I was talking about right over there. Let's go check that out. So it's a pretty nice hot summer day today. I mean, not so hot because it's Aomori. It's what, 31 degrees Celsius, which is something Fahrenheit. Really have no right to complain, do we? Asamushi Onsen. Now, as I get closer, you can probably see there's some people there hanging out, soaking their feet already. I don't know, it's so hot. I don't know why they would want to do that. So first things first, I'm going to need some eggs. And there's a supermarket right across the street from the station here, so I'm going to see if I can get some there. Here we are. Yusa Ichiba is the grocery store here, right next to the Michino Eki road station. Well, that wasn't really what I was looking for, but luckily I bought some eggs beforehand already, so I'm good. So let's start heading over to where the onsen is and see where to cook these eggs. All right, we should be coming up to it right about now. Yeah, I think I see it over there. Oh, if this car doesn't hit me. Hello. Yeah, this must be it. Here we go. Yeah, this is it. Oh, look at that. They have directions on how to do it. It says if you're taking them home, do it for 15 minutes. If you're eating it here, 17 minutes. And if you like it harder, then 20 minutes or more. Interesting. So they've got one heck of a setup here. So here's the little grate for boiling your eggs in. They've got here the hot spring of Asamushi since AC 1190. Wow, that's old. They've got a spot here for drinking water as well. Oh, that's hot. Okay. Now I actually brought a little food thermometer here so we can see how hot this water actually is. It says it is about 70 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna put it in. See what you say. It's going up. Yeah, it seems like it's stabilized around 70. Okay, so they weren't lying. All right, and these are the eggs that I wanted to get. The reason I decided to get these ones is, number one, they're local, so they're made in Aomori. Also, they come with this handy little netting here. So the idea is, I think I want to put the eggs in the net and just hang the net directly from one of these hooks over here. And that should cook it nice. I mean, they have baskets here provided. So I guess if you didn't have the net, you can still make it too. Oh well. I'm going to take these out. There we go. I'll take this out. Don't need that cup, and just sort of empty them into the netting. Please don't break, please don't break, please don't break. All right. Whoa, whoa, that's sketchy. Take out the plastic. There we go. Beautiful. Now I've got all my eggs in one basket. And I guess I'll put the plastic thing back on. Maybe around here. Okay. That looks about right. Shoe back in. That should lock it in place. All right, that looks great. Cool, so all that's left now is to drop you in. There we go. Open you up. In you go. Nice. All right. All right, great. So I got my timer set to 17 minutes and we'll start it. I don't know, these eggs are pretty big, so maybe they'll need longer to cook. We'll have to see. Question is now, what am I gonna do for the next 17 minutes? Well, if you didn't know there's a dam behind Asamushi Onsen, well, there it is. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful. Wow. I don't know if you can see over there. Whoa, the dragonfly's gonna land on me. Look at that. Why did you do that? Okay, huh. Actually got a little scared there. I've been bitten by one of those before and I was like, is he gonna bite me? Oh, alrighty. What was I saying? Oh. I don't know if you can see over there, but it says Asamushi Damu written on the side of that mountain. Didn't even know that was there. There she is, Enoshima. You can only get there one time of the year. Well, I guess you can if you swim. I can't swim, so I'm not going. Check it out. Giant chair. Can you tell how big it is compared to my body? I would try to climb it, but my leg is still super broken, so I'll stop. Okay, so there's a foot bath here too, right next to where I'm cooking the eggs. And yeah, it's pretty warm. It's summer, so I don't really want to get in here. But in winter, I mean, it's amazing. It's so comfy. I can sit here for hours. And I got my thermometer again, so let's just check what temperature this one is. So we've got it about 40, yeah. That's about standard for a foot bath or any bath. There it is. Konyoku Ashiyu. So for both sexes, I mean, you're just putting your feet in, so it's not really a big deal. Hey, we got a visitor. Are, お名前は? 小粒ですか? 小粒ちゃんかわいいよ。かわいいよ。温泉卵好きですか? 小粒ちゃん。Nice. 360. Ever been in 360, buddy? He's so cute. Oh, you're not hot? Oh, I think my eggs are done. Are my eggs done? Okay, time's up, so let's fish these out. There we go. They don't look any different, but hopefully they taste good. I'll just pop them up here. Okay. These eggs had some time to cool. Let's see how they look. Whoa. There we go. Ow, they're still hot. Oh, jeez. Okay, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, I brought you guys a clear cup so you can see inside. So, hard yolk, kind of runny white. Basically, the way most people don't like their eggs. But you know what? I like it. I've gotten used to it. I don't know if I should eat it yet because it's still really hot. Alright, so I'm gonna have the first one with just regular old salt. Classic. Okay. Cheers. That was good. That was good. Oh, amazing, so fresh. Ooh. I barely fit it in my mouth, but it went down. Let's crack another one. Oh yeah, she's a beaut. Okay, so now I'm gonna be pretty Japanese and I'm going to put in some soy sauce or shoyu. Now this is a special kind of shoyu. This is tamaran shoyu. And it is specifically made for eggs. Who knew something like this existed, but perfect time to try it. Here we go. All right. Hopefully that's not too much. There you go. Can you see that egg yolk? Okay, here we go. Is it hot? Oh, it's doable. Cheers. Oh, that is good. A little too much soy sauce, but oh yeah. Oh, that's good. I didn't eat much today, so it's sort of going down really fast. Oh, I'm gonna have another one. We're gonna eat all these here right now. Might as well put some shichimi on it this time too. There you go. All right, here goes another one. Hey, kanpai. Ooh, spicy. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, that's good. All right, people, that's all I have for you today. I've got to clean up here. If you want to come try this, there's a link in the description below of how to get here. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Jane!